Hey guys, it's Kristina. So today I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys with some goodies that I just got in the mail, so let's get started. So the first thing I have is my Boxycharm, which by the way, my 252 box, I will link it down below if you want to send me any letters or anything like that. It's my PO box. So check it out. Also subscribe if you haven't yet. If you want to add me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever, all my links will be down below. I just started another Twitch, so add me on that. But anyways, my Boxycharm. So this is what I got for this month. As you know, or if you might not know, Boxycharm is like 5 products a month and they're all full size. This is literally my favorite box because you get full size products. You definitely get over your money's worth, because a lot of the other boxes, they send you like little sample sizes. Like what the fuck? Like no, this shit is legit full size, you know what I'm saying? So the first one is Cover FX glitter drops. I remember meeting Cover FX in Toronto. We went to Gem Beauty. They had like a lab where you can make like your own cosmetics. We met the owner. You can make like your own foundation. It was really dope. So I literally just saw this on the gram today. They had 5 different shades. I followed them. I love their products. So this one, the shade is called Nova. Yeah, which is gold, which is perfect for me. Thank God I got the shade. I feel like they probably just sent out like, you know, randomly like the whole 5 shades, a warm / neutral undertone. So this is perfect for me. But I love this. You can mix this into your, like, you know, so they can be used anywhere you want as a luxury glow. Customize your finish, shake well, and add desired amount of drops to any product or apply directly on the skin. I feel like this is legit gonna be like, let's just, I already have a highlighter on, but look at it. I can't even see from far away. My mirror is all the way over there, but if it's gold, I'm with it. Then we have these tweezers from Farah. Cute. Then we have this makeup brush cleaner, which I actually need a new one. Oh my god, this traffic is so loud. I need a new one because I ran out of my Sigma one a while ago. Legit, if you watch my streams, I streamed on YouNow and Twitch the other day. I was washing my brushes and I just had to use like regular stuff. I was like, fuck it, you know, I just wanted to clean them because I ran out of my regular one. But this one is by Bodyography. I didn't need that, so I'm glad I got it. Then we have this really cute set of 4 golden brushes. These are from Luxie. I love Luxie. I love the handles on these, and obviously they're all like little eye brushes, or I mean you could even use this one for like a nose contour. It looks really similar to my Jady Wady by Luxie, which is an amazing brush, but the rest of these I would probably use for like my eyeshadow. And then last but not least, we have this Ace Beauty palette, which is called the Grandiose palette. Ooh, this is pretty. A lot of times I don't know what I'm gonna get. First of all, I love the gold and the black, but these shades are totally up my alley. I wish they had like a little bit of more browns or blacks, but this looks so good. So you have like 3 metallics, you have 4 mattes, and you have 1 shimmer. And you can also use this one as a highlight. This is really cool. Like, I really like this palette. It's really pretty. Love it. So that's that. So if you guys want to check out Boxycharm, I will link it down below. And I'm gonna read you off the prices so you know you get your money's worth, because Boxycharm is only $20 a month. So the Cover FX drops are $44. Like, that's already like over twice the price, you know. The palette is $24.99. The 4 brush set is $21. The tweezers are $12, and the brush cleaner is $12. So overall, you definitely get your money's worth plus some. So definitely sign up for it. It's hands down my favorite box. Then next I have a package from Farah Cosmetics. They're so sweet. I love them. My friend RB, I know her. I wish I knew her better, but she's the owner of it. She's Armenian. She's amazing. And they wrote me this little letter. And if you didn't see my giveaway that I did with Quiche, they just came out with, one of the prizes was the 6 color range that they just came out with. It's their new collection. It's 6 different lipsticks. Their lipsticks are amazing, but their 6 new ones are so good. If you haven't seen that video, we did the swatches on our lips, both for me and Quiche, which we have different skin tones. Go check it out. I'll link it down below. But this is so cute. Ah! Now we get a little letter. She's so sweet. She's so sweet. This is literally so cute. Farrell. Do you see that? Farrell and RB. This is so cute. So we have 2 shades. So this one is literally called RP. That's so cute because her name RP is ARPI, you know? So adorable. Ooh, this is so cute. It's like a nice warm nude. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys on my Instagram. And then this is RP2. Literally like that, like RD2. Like RDT2. Ooh, this is so pretty. This is, I'm guessing this is a gloss, which I've only had liquid lipsticks from them, but this is so pretty. It's like a golden gloss that you can layer. This is That smells so good. This is so pretty. So definitely follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna do swatches on there, or video, or whatever, but you definitely see it on there. So definitely check them out. I will link Farah Cosmetics for you guys down below in the info box. And then we have the Pixi Cosmetics package. It says, no tricks, just skin treats. This is so cute. Oh my god. What? This is so cute. Literally, these are like little travel size. I'm literally about to go travel next week to Virginia, so these are perfect. I'm gonna take all of them with me. Dude, what? There's a whole bunch of glow tonics. Oh my god, these are my favorite. I love these. So there's like 6 little glow tonics. These are so good. And then we have 4 rose tonic waters, which these ones I've not tried yet, but I definitely will. Like I said, I'm about to go travel, so next week I'm definitely gonna take some of these with me and bring some to my friends, my best friend Lisa, her mom, everybody. Literally, I'm like, I don't know why, I just like clear makeup cases. I don't know what it is. I think something in my childhood, like some people had clear ones. I forget who it was, but like I just kind of like fell in love with them, you know, and I just love clear ones. So this is really cute. So thank you, Pixi. So if you guys want to, so definitely check them out. I will link them down below. Next we have this package from Derma E. This is so cute. It says hello pumpkin. How cute. So we have the Advanced Peptides and Collagen Moisturizer, which I've not tried yet. So that's exciting. Ooh, is it the bottle or the, oh, it's just the label. I was like, is it purple? Like, oh my god. It smells very like herbally and and very soothing. Like a lavender or something. I don't know what is in this. I'm just making stuff up for now. But Derma E is 100% vegan, GMO free, and cruelty free. So they're amazing. And then we have this Firming Derma E Eye Lift with peptides and vitamin B3. And I love how it's a little tube, because that way you don't have to like dig your finger into the jar and make it all like messy and like put your germs in there, you know what I mean? So it's just like a cute little tube. So this is awesome. Thank you, Derma E. So definitely check them out. I will link them down below. Then I have this package from Wellington from the watch company. This is exciting. Okay, so I have this new one here that they sent me, which is the new product coming out, but I also asked if I could get a new cuff because the last one I lost that came with my watch. I have my watch, it's in my bathroom, but this is so cute. It's the same cuff that I had before. It's rose gold. I have my Wellington watch, which is black and rose gold, which I probably should show you guys because I just want to get it. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute. I've shown it in another video before, my Instagram stories, everything. So I lost the cuff that came with it. So thank God they sent me a new one. They go really well together. Let me show you. So I'm not gonna close it, but basically this is what it looks like. It looks so cute together. And then let's open this up. Okay, I'm back. I had to take a little break. Sorry about that. But so hopefully it looks the same. But yeah, this is the bracelet from Wellington. This is the new one. It's so cute. So it says Wellington in there. I love it. I'm gonna actually put the watch on with the cuff on. Super adorable. I'm wearing black tonight, so I'm not gonna wear the white, but I really like this. And it did give me a discount code for you guys for 15% off any order on their website. Watches, cuffs, whatever. So I will put it over here as well as down below. It's just K through chocolate, all capital. Then also I have this Purlisse box. I kind of fucked up the opening of it. So these are their new BB creams. I love the original ones, but these are just in the new package. And they came out November 9th already, so they're available. So these are the 3 different ones. You have medium deep, the shades are on the back. You have medium and you have medium tan. So I'm definitely gonna try these out. I love the original formula, which I just used it in my video, the Ariana Grande one. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. And they're so cute. They also gave me a code, Kristina Glow, so you can get, which is for 10% off for you guys. So you can use it on their website, like just not just for the BB creams, but overall. So I will link that down below. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you're always notified whenever I post a new video. If you want to add me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, I just made a new one. Like I said, there'll be giveaways there, so definitely check it out. I'll link all of that down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.